हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। तो कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे, आपके फेस का भी बहुत ख्याल रख रहे हैं। सी द डिफरेंस, आई मीन वाई दिस इज लाइक बटर फॉर एवरीडे मेकअप। आई टुक रेवोल्यूशन का दिस पैलेट. So this palette, you can see these all are very basic and nude shades, which I always prefer in my everyday makeup. So I'm taking this one first. So you can see कि natural crease line बन चुका है. Then I'm taking this shade. I'm using this glitter to give a shine to my eyes. Only above your eyeballs. You don't need to exaggerate it क्योंकि ये daily makeup है. To make it subtle, I'm using the same eyeshadow जो मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया था to apply on my lower lashes. So for this, I use this small flat brush. And then I'm applying the same shimmer on my eyelashes, lower lashes. So for kajal, I use Swiss Beauty ka this kajal, and which gave me a sharp look. I really like that. So I'm using Sugar Pop for eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using Mars Double Trouble. I mean, why? There's so many videos I'm watching on social media about this mascara. They're saying like there is only one wand, which is true. It has only one wand. When you take it out, you can see there are extra products जो ये निकाल देता है, so that आप जब अपने eyes पे mascara apply करो तो first application जो step 1 है वो आपके eyeliner पे ही लगे and उसको lift करके रखे, so that when you apply the second step ये आपके eyes में density दे. This is first one to lift up, then I'm applying the second layer to dense it out. You can see, right? ये इतना dense हो चुका है. So the purpose of this mascara is only to define your lashes and give it a dense. So the content creators जो भी आप दे रहे हो reviews, make sure कि you just understand कि ये क्यों है, why. कोई यहाँ पे सबको पागल बनाने के लिए तो बैठा नहीं है, right? Just look at it. How dense my lashes are looking. See how dense it is. This is damn beautiful. So I'm applying some of my mascara in my lower lashes. So for my eyebrows, I'm taking Miss Claire ka this eyebrow cake, which comes along with this wand. Let's go for it. So let's apply on the eyebrows. Let me first comb it down to see if there is any gap where I need to fill it up. So I'm taking this too. I'm just filling it up. I'm not making any extra line. The purpose of eyebrows is to fill it up. this pulley is to comb it up. See if you have any gaps, just fill it, and that's it. Now you're done. Just comb it to its outer corner. I'm just giving it some lift and then a good brush. That's it. You can see the difference. And I'm taking this baked blusher and highlighter from Swiss Beauty. Just smile and apply on your cheeks, and I'm applying highlighters here too for an intense look. Just a little bit here, not more highlighters, because remember, this is everyday makeup. So for lipstick, I'm taking Insights का ये Super Stay Bullet lipstick. So the shade of this Insight lipstick is Mia 22. This is like butter, I can tell you. So this is my everyday look guys. So ये सारे products जो मैंने यूज़ किए हैं in my makeup, ये सारे products के लिंक आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे और मेरे कमेंट्स में मिल जाएंगे अगर आप YouTube पे देख रहे हो. एंड जस्ट लेट मी नो कि आपको मेरा ये एवरीडे लुक कैसा लगा. आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो इन योर ऑफिस, इन योर कॉलेज, एंड दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ game changer. So please do not forget to share my videos, subscribe it, like it, and the most important is comment on my videos so that we can connect to each other and I'll know कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगा in my makeup. मैं मिलूंगी आपको मेरे next episode में. तब तक के लिए make your skin smile and bye bye.